Hey all, Will Healy here, and I've got another FabTech highlight for you. Even though FabTech was last week, I got lots of great footage, and I want to talk to you today about operator guidance. And I saw two really cool technologies, both very different. The first one was from a company called 𝒔𝒉𝒐𝒖𒒔. They do laser templating for welding fixturing. And they can take a drawing, a DXF file, and do one-off templating without having to have some sort of physical fixture. So I'm going to show you that here in a second. And then the second company is 𝒔𝒊𝒄𝒄. And 𝒔𝒊𝒄𝒄 is using augmented reality with audio commands, with voice commands to do guidance for the user, to step-by-step through the instructions, and this was really cool. And that reduces training time and really adds flexibility to the production. So I'm going to show you 𝒔𝒉𝒐𝒖� first and then �𝒊𝒄𝒄. Hey, I'm at 𝒔𝒉𝒐 Vision, and really cool laser-guided templating, and you can see the laser really follows the workaround. You can see it right there on the board. So really slick technology. I'm going to actually go through an assembly and show it to you. Lock it in place.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
I would recommend two on the same side so you keep it square.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
Yeah, that butts right up against this. Don't worry about the laser line anymore.
Okay, don't worry about the
But
line.
that's why we do.
I like it. We got the center lines. Looks pretty good. I'm here in the �𝒊𝒄𝒄 booth trying out their augmented reality work instructions, and really cool technology, and you're going to get to see me step through it. And I think it's really fun. You should definitely try something like this out. It's really impressive what they're able to do. Cancel task. Confirm. It's giving me voice prompts.
No. So this is 100% voice.
Yep. Yeah.
So tell me what you see now.
Select work item.
Okay.
The SOMA. Oh, I see
So
it.
say
Yeah.
select and that number.
Yeah, okay, select in the number, okay. So it's following voice commands, really, really cool. Okay, select 4. Oh, there's different shapes, okay. Or cube. Oh yeah. Follow instructions, the next step to build this cube, okay. Continue. Okay, that was really awesome, right? Those are two cool technologies. I mean, operator guidance tools like these reduce training time and allow for much broader flexibility of work, allowing for higher mix and lower volumes in production. So till next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?